Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Um, I hope you guys been paying attention to the channel. I know, I'm still new to this crypto trading channel thing, but I'm not new to trading. And I hope you guys watch my last videos. If not, please go back and watch because these are just for uh teaching purposes, right? Like this is just for you guys to learn technical analysis and how precise it could be if you guys want to learn and stop speculating on what people are doing, what other channels are talking about, the news of crypto or speculations or where it's going or who said what said this. Like, dudes, like this is like technical analysis to a T that is working out beyond my expectation of making these videos of where my predictions have gone and just straight out reading the charts, just straight technical analysis, nothing to it, nothing crazy. So let's go ahead and see what's been going on since my last video. I made a video a few days ago, which was technically like late Monday night, Tuesday night maybe. But like here we go. So this is my last video, and if you guys forward to 6 minutes and 6 seconds, this is technically on the 16th. I recorded it on the 16th, as you guys can see on the on the on the times chart, right? Like on the screen recording. On the PC. You guys see it's on the 16th, but if you look at the time, it's kind of late, so it kind of carries over to Bitcoin new date, right? So technically, it's the 17th of the technical analysis. So let's just go from here, right? So hovering and closing below, nothing's actually closing above it, which kind of verifies to me this bearish momentum right here. So we might just like right here. I'm talking about fake it, like it just might be a complete fake out. Right here, I'm talking about 24,300 being a huge resistance point and us not closing anything above 24,300. So, right, we might just go here, and then back down, and then retest, right? And then we retest. Um, but for us to show really bullish movement, right? So that's exactly what we did, right? So if you guys pay attention, like for us to show bullish movement, I mentioned that we have to stay above this 24,000 300 level, which we didn't, and we have to break above this 25,000 25, right? If you guys just go back and watch the video, and it just straight out explains what I really did, and if you guys see this now, this is on the 17th exactly. I'm sorry. What was it? It was yeah the 17th. So exactly on the 17th, I recorded it 69, maybe a few hours before the breakdown and what happened. Right. Um, you guys clearly see the bear flag. We closed below it. Um, and right now we're fighting resistance points. So let's go into the technical analysis. So I mentioned that we were gonna retest this 20,000 level, right? Retest 20,000 level on the 17th, which we did because we were around this area here. We went up, we retested 24,300. We came back down on the same day. This is the same day, guys. All right, this is the same day. So uh, I mentioned that we're gonna retest 24,300. We retested 24,300. We closed below it, right? And in the next few days, we saw the dump. And I thought we were gonna like kind of close above the 0.5 Fibonacci level, but we actually went all the way and retested our golden pocket area of support, right? So what's next? What's gonna go on next, right? So we didn't close below our lower low, right? And again, I have my Fibonacci extension going from July 13th to July or to July 20th. And why did I do that? Just because that was our first run up, right? That was our first like big movement going up, and I just left it there. There was no point. We knew that we had to break above 24,300 and have closing candles above that area to show clear signs of support and bullish movement, and we did not. We have not had a closing candle above 24,300. We might have hovered it around for one day, and we saw that reversal candle here on August 13th. You can see that we had a one green candle above 24,300, and then the next day we closed below it. We have not closed below above 24,300, and that's to me that's just showing signs of weakness. And if you guys watch my previous videos, for educational purposes, like, dude, I'm not bullshitting with you guys. I have no reason to lie. I'm not selling any courses. I'm not selling nothing. This is just strictly learning. Like, go back on every video. I know some videos are kind of long, trying to make them shorter and more direct to the point, but you guys could see, like, right. So right now we're facing huge resistance, right? We bounce back. Uh, so we hit our golden pocket. Now what's going to happen next, right? Well, now we have a few more barriers, right? And I do believe we're going to keep dropping. We're going to keep going lower. Uh, the whole pattern was like uh, bear flag, and there's still more bearish momentum to go, right? So what's going to happen next, right? I do see this maybe recovering for a few days, right? So let's pull out the marker, which I absolutely love to use, as you guys always know. Uh, I believe we're going to do this and possibly retest this. I'm sorry. Let me right here, this little resistance point around this area here, and maybe come back down and break below our golden pocket area, show support, or try to re-rally again, get rejected, and further movement down, right? So this is what I believe is going to happen. We're going to break it, and we're going to go back down to maybe 15,000. For sure, we're going to retest 17,000 or our lowest low, and possibly go down even further from there. So this is what we want to see, right? Or those who've been waiting to accumulate for a while. I know you guys think everything is going to the moon and bullish momentum, and you have to take a lot of things into consideration: economy, uh, recession, human psychology, the point where people could afford things or not afford things, right? If people have been investing 50 weekly on Bitcoin, right, but the cost of everything's going up, so now they might need those $50, or things might change. The economy, people in general, and we have this huge gap, right? We have this huge gap from 22,000 all the way to 17,500, and I believe we are going to retest that within the next 2 to 3 months. So you guys get prepared. You guys are going to get psyched out with this next little rally right here. I think it's going to go to the moon, right? I think the most we'll hit is 22,300. But I don't. I think that's it. I think we're going to keep going down, and this is the way it's going to play out. Um, Again, look at our stochastic RSI. If we look at our stochastic RSI, we are at zero. We're could go back up again, but most likely I have a feeling that we're going to get rejected off the 50% on the stochastic RSI. Now our slow RSI is below. Um, it's below the 50% mark. We're at 27. And remember what I mentioned below and what I've been saying this whole entire time is if we break below the 50% mark on the RSI, that is now our new resistance point. So we would just might go up to the 50% and then keep getting rejected and keep getting rejected. This is how we did up here. If you look at the stochastic and look at the slow moving RSI, we kept bouncing off the 50% mark, and then now we actually broke through. So this is exactly how I see it playing out. Right, we're going to go back up with the fast stochastic RSI going all the way up, slow stochastic getting rejected off the 50. We're going to go up here, 21,000, 22,000, get rejected, and then break through finally the 0.65, the 0.618 golden pocket area, and then now that becomes our new resistance points and so forth. So that's going to be my plan playing out for the next couple weeks. Again, I'm not sure when I'm going to be updating you guys with a video for the next time. I really just play out the patterns of what I see. If I do see us breaking out above 0.38 and holding support around this area, around the 22,000, 23,000 area, uh, then for a few days, and it would have to hold support for a few days, would really invalidate this. But for right now, this is what my next play is and what I would be looking at to, make trades and stuff like that. But again, this is just for educational purposes. And if I was to go to my EMAs, my exponential moving averages, you guys can see exactly where I told you guys before. We broke below the 55-day exponential moving average. We broke below. We hit our low Bollinger Band, and then now that remember, like, we want the 8 exponential moving average, which if you guys see in a few days will become our new resistance point, because we broke below our 55-day exponential moving average, our 100, our 21, and now our 8. Now that becomes our new resistance point. So I have a feeling, again, in a few days, so we're going to bounce back up. This is going to keep declining, right? We're going to hit it right around this area here. We're going to hit it, get rejected, and continue going further, which is going to allow the exponential moving averages to spread out and become more bigger and continue the run down. So we'll see if this plays out. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. I know this video is a little long. I want to get you all the information I possibly can. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good one and peace out.